overs left for the Karnataka Bulldozers. They can afford to throw their bats around. They've got 6 wickets in hand. We were just mentioning in the previous over that Rajiv, who was going great guns, he's departed, and suddenly there is a dip in the strike rate and the run rate has taken a beating. This is the time for Mumbai Heroes to come back. They are bowling well. They're not offering any kind of a room to the batsmen. They're throwing themselves on the ground as well. It's all happening out there in the middle.
So this is a remarkable comeback for the Heroes. Last 3 overs, although they have conceded runs, but they've picked up 3 important wickets. So their run rate has come down. Shabbir Ahluwalia has done quite well in there. Oh, that'll go to the fence. A desperate attempt by Sachin Joshi standing at backward point, but went over him. After a long time, a boundary has come for the Bulldozers. It is Karthik who gets into the act this time.
Width provided, and he throws the bat at it. And when you're going to go over the top, just have no half measures. And they're delighted. They've done well so far. Again, some room offered, and he goes over, covers this time. It is a tremendous shot for 6. That's one of the toughest shots in the book, but he has cleared the rope with utmost of ease.
This is a brave shot from Karthik. Very handsome blow from him. He had to make way to get that room, and then he manufactures it, hits it over cover for a 6. That's the kind of impetus the Bulldozers need at this stage. They've gone down in their run rate. So this over can make that change for the Bulldozers. Slow delivery, well concealed, only gives away a single. Shabbir Ahluwalia, they want to go for the second one. And there is a misfield in the deep, and they get 2.
Karthik, who's providing that lusty shots, is on 21 at the moment. He's faced only 14 deliveries. Hit a 6 and a boundary already. This time he pulls it towards the square leg. But there's a fielder out there. He will get only single. This is a time when no team would like to give in. But clearly the dismissal of Rajiv has put the brakes on the Karnataka Bulldozers. Expensive over, ball 17 gone, 155 for 4.